Welcome back. Last day of the week, the penultimate week of 2022 as well. And the SGX Nifty this morning is down 100 points. But let's drill it down to individual stocks. Our research team is standing by with CNBC-TV18's list of top 10 stocks of the day. Sonia, starting with you, SBI cards.
First, I can't take my eye off all the red on the screen, right? I mean, all the girls in bright red and actually, even Vivek is wearing a red tie. So everyone's in Christmas cheer. Merry Christmas to all of you in advance. SBI card is in focus today, and I'm going with green over there because its market share gains that SBI card has seen after reporting a record credit card addition. If you look at the numbers, the number of credit cards that they've added is 3.88 lakhs in November versus a past 12-month average of 2 lakhs and 3.4 lakhs in October. So November was a very strong month for them in terms of credit card addition. Now their market share has also gone up. It's a small rise, but it's been inching up month after month. And now SBI card enjoys almost 19.5% of the market, which is a gain of 17 basis points month on month. Morgan Stanley put out a note where they have an overweight call with a target price of 1100, which is a big upside to the current market price. And they say that the biggest USP of SBI card is they continue to gain market share. And the spends market share has also improved. So not only have they added more people in terms of issuing credit cards, but the credit card spend per person has also marginally improved month on month to 18.3%. So I'm going with green for SBI card today.
Let's also get to Vahishta, and she's going to be telling us the latest on defense procurement, the news and the impact on individual names. Vahishta?
Hi, Reema. Good morning. All the defense stocks are expected to be in focus today, and this is because the Defense Acquisition Council has given the approval for 24 capital acquisition proposals, and the proposals are worth approximately 84,000 crores. Now, these include 6 for the Indian Army, 6 for Indian Air Force, 10 for the Indian Navy and 2 for the Indian Coast Guard. Now, 21 of them, which is worth approximately 82,000 crores, are approved for the procurement from indigenous sources. And this is to equip the Indian Army with combat vehicles, with light tanks and mountain gun systems. So stocks such as Bharat Electronics, Bharat Dynamics and Hindustan Aeronautics are expected to be in focus today.
All right, thanks a lot for that. Well, pharma stocks also on our radar this morning. Ekta is here to give us the lowdown. Ekta, over to you.
Thanks for that. Well, I'll start with Suven Pharma. There's an ET report that Advent has emerged as the front runner to buy Suven Pharma. Promoters own 60%. Advent is negotiating to buy almost 51% for around 6,000 odd crores, and they're looking to launch an open offer for an additional 26%. CNBC-TV18 has not verified this particular report independently, but Nisha Podar has been reporting all the way back since I think around 2020 about Suven's intention to sell stake, and the company is in talks with PE firms, strategic players for this particular stake sale. Ajanta Pharma, non-executive promoters have sold that 4.38% stake that Vivek was alluding to yesterday. They're looking to utilize the funds for financing their private business plus repayment of loans taken against pledged shares. Lupin would be in focus because they're recalling 4 lots of a particular hypertension drug due to the presence of a particular ingredient which could increase the risk of cancer. They have stopped manufacturing this drug since September 2022. Expected to be a sentiment negative because the US FDA had come out with a statement yesterday, during market hours. So there's a likelihood that Lupin could have already factored this news in.
All right, Ekta, thanks very much for that. Now, more stocks with news flow. Vivek is here with that list. Vivek, hi, good morning.
Well, good morning. Quite a few stocks on our radar. First up, Welspun Enterprises. Now, this is the consummation of a deal that the company had earlier announced in June 2022. So the company has gone ahead and completed the divestment of 6 road assets to Actis Highway Infra Limited. So what has happened? The company has got the nod from the NHAI, the Public Works Department, as well as all of the lenders for this particular asset divestments. What are the road assets? 5 HAM projects, hybrid annuity model projects of 100% complete divestment over there. And as far as the BOT toll asset project is concerned, a 49% stake divestment the company has got the nod for, awaiting the nod for the further 51% stake. cumulative enterprise value for this particular transaction is a little over 5,800 crores. Next stock on our radar, Ingersoll. Some significant capacity addition being taken by the company, 170 crores to be spent on capex. This is mainly going to be funded via internal accruals. Monthly capacity of the company will increase by almost 50%, and the company is targeting both enhancement of existing capacity, manufacturing capacity, as well as looks to target the export market. Lastly, RailTel in focus. The company has got an order of almost 100 crore rupees, and this is particular work orders from Vibil Technologies, and this is mainly for the data center business in West Bengal.
All right, thanks a lot for that. Well, let's do a quick recap in case you missed out on any of the stocks. Stocks with positive news flow, there's SBI Card, BEL, Bharat Dynamics, HAL, Suven Pharma, Ajanta Pharma, Ingersoll Rand, RailTel Corp and Welspun Enterprises. While the only stock with negative news flow today is Lupin. So let's see how it shapes up for the day.
Let's get to commodities then. Manisha Gupta joins in for a roundup of all the action from the world of commodities. Hi Manisha, good morning.
Morning, and thank you for that. Well, I'll start with the energy markets, where we did see the crude oil prices fall by a percentage point in the New York session. It's up 1% in the Asian markets right now. So it is looking at a huge amount of volatility right now, and expected so as we head towards the holidays right now. But the point being that $82 around about is holding, and the markets are looking at strong demand, especially from U.S. as the holiday season begins there, as well as the winter demand is supportive too. It is the natural gas prices which have continued to decline. The U.S. natural gas trading at a 9-month lows, and the European Union natural gas prices now trading at a 6-month lows. In the Asian markets right now, there's a bit of a gain, but for the week, we're down by nearly 20 to 30% for gas varieties across board. Markets are reacting to the strong U.S. GDP numbers and the strength in U.S. dollar as well. So the expectation being that we are perhaps looking at a range anywhere between 75 to 82 before we end this year for crude prices.
Okay, all right, Manisha, thanks very much for that. We'll take a quick break here. We'll come back. Anand Tandon will be with us for some fundamental stock analysis. Later, we will connect with N. Kamakodi of City Union Bank to talk about the bank's gross NPA divergence of 259 crores. The stock reacted quite